Trying to pick a smartwatch, but everything feels the same? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're putting the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro and the Amazfit Active 2 head-to-head to see which one truly stands out. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one is worth your attention. Let's get into it. Technical specifications. Comparative analysis. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro features a premium titanium bezel with an aluminum frame and sapphire glass, making it more rugged, durable, and premium in hand. The Amazfit Active 2 uses a stainless steel bezel with a lightweight polymer body and sapphire glass on higher variants, focusing more on comfort and daily wear usability rather than rugged premium build. The Watch Fit 4 Pro comes with a large 1.82-inch AMOLED display with up to 3,000 nits peak brightness, making it extremely bright and easily visible outdoors. The Amazfit Active 2 features a smaller 1.32-inch AMOLED display with a sharp circular design and up to around 2,000 nits brightness, offering a more compact and classic smartwatch experience. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro delivers up to 7 days of typical use and up to 10 days in power-saving mode. The Amazfit Active 2 performs better in endurance, offering up to 10 days of typical use and up to 19 days in battery saver mode due to its more efficiency-focused system. The Watch Fit 4 Pro offers more advanced health tracking, including ECG, SpO2, temperature monitoring, barometer, and diving-related depth tracking, along with dual-band GNSS for improved outdoor accuracy. The Amazfit Active 2 focuses on essential health tracking like heart rate, SpO2, sleep, stress monitoring, and multiple fitness modes with a strong emphasis on simplicity and battery efficiency. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro runs on Harmony OS optimized hardware for smoother performance and better integration with its advanced sensors. The Amazfit Active 2 runs on Zepp OS, designed for lightweight performance and maximum battery efficiency rather than heavy processing tasks. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro was launched in May 2025 with a price around $270 to $305 globally. Approximately varies by region. The Amazfit Active 2 launched earlier in 2025 with a price around $100 to $150 globally depending on variant and market. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro is aimed at users who want a premium build, advanced health tracking, and outdoor sports features in a stylish smartwatch. The Amazfit Active 2 is better suited for users who prioritize long battery life, lightweight design, and affordable everyday smartwatch functionality. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.